Today I'll show you how to use Steam Remote Play. Yes, the game, remote gaming, let's call it that. Yes, for this we'll need a phone, so I'm demonstrating from my phone. Just log into Steam on your computer and connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Here's the phone and, of course, the computer. Next, go to App Store or Play Store, download Steam Link and open it. Now we accept everything and see that our game is already enabled. Then click Start Playing. Then on your computer you'll simply get a confirmation prompt. You accept it and you can play. You might not even need to accept it. Let's find out now. Here, it's launching on my computer now. On your computer, Steam just needs to be open. That's it. And then it will start up. I'm recording right now, so it's a bit glitchy. Let me try again. Maybe it'll work this way. I have my game running now. Please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.